How to lose weight after pregnancy. Your step-by-step guide to losing weight after pregnancy. Introduction. Your abdominal muscles get stretched during pregnancy. Your back and hips may feel tight and stiff. You are also probably feeling detached from yourself. The reason why you put on weight during pregnancy is to help store the energy that you will need when giving birth and breastfeeding. The extra weight during pregnancy exerts pressure mainly on your abdominal, back, and pelvic muscles. In this guide, we will explore ways to return your body to its pre-pregnancy state. These are simple and inexpensive methods that have been practiced by many new mothers to achieve a slim and toned-down body. You will be happy to know that you do not need to visit a gym or hire a personal trainer to lose weight. It is a fact that your uterus takes about 6 weeks to shrink back to its normal size. During this time, you will be experiencing lochia. This is normal after-birth bleeding. As a new mother, you are probably asking yourself when the right time might be to start losing weight. When can I start losing weight? Healthcare professionals recommend that you wait at least 6 weeks before beginning a weight loss program. Normal delivery. However, if you have had an uncomplicated pregnancy, you can start with gentle exercising as soon as 3 days after giving birth. These exercises target your pelvic and abdominal muscles to help them recover their strength. Surgical delivery. The tissue around your cesarean scar will heal better if you exercise the muscles around it. However, you will need the advice of your doctor on when and what you can do if you have had an episiotomy, a C-section, or a particularly difficult delivery. Remember to keep your posture as upright as possible after surgery.